Growing tomatoes is a fun and rewarding hobby that can also provide you with fresh, delicious produce. Here are the basic steps to get started. Choose the right location. Tomatoes need plenty of sun, at least 6–8 hours a day, and well-draining soil. Make sure the spot you choose gets enough sunlight and has soil that's rich in organic matter. Choose your tomato plants. There are many different varieties of tomato plants to choose from, so select one that suits your taste and the climate in your area. You can start with seeds or seedlings from a local nursery or garden center. Prepare the soil before planting. Loosen the soil and mix in compost or other organic matter to improve its texture and fertility. Tomatoes prefer a soil pH of 6.0 to 6.8, so adjust the pH if necessary. Plant your tomatoes if you're planting seedlings. Make a hole that's deep enough to accommodate the roots and gently remove the plant from its container. Place the plant in the hole, cover the roots with soil, and water thoroughly. If you're planting seeds, follow the instructions on the packet for planting depth and spacing. Water and fertilize regularly. Tomatoes need consistent moisture to grow, so water them deeply and regularly, especially during hot weather. Use a balanced fertilizer every 3–4 weeks to provide essential nutrients. Support your plants. Tomato plants need support as they grow, so install stakes, cages, or trellises to keep them upright. This will also help prevent the fruit from touching the ground, which can cause rot. Watch for pests and diseases. Tomatoes are susceptible to a variety of pests and diseases, so monitor your plants regularly for signs of trouble. If you notice any problems, take action promptly to prevent the spread. Harvest and enjoy. Tomatoes are usually ready to harvest 60–80 days after planting. Pick them when they're fully ripe for the best flavor and enjoy them in salads, sandwiches, sauces, and more.